Today, I'll show you a powerful natural remedy against stink bugs that you can make in just 1 minute. It also repels aphids, ants, cockroaches, and slugs. Stink bugs were once a small garden problem, but their numbers have grown quickly, damaging many fruits and vegetables. Their presence is strongest when it gets warmer, and even if you don't see them, their smell and damage on fruits reveal their attack. To make this spray, start with 250 milliliters of warm water and add half a tablespoon of hot red pepper. Its heat and smell irritate stink bugs and keep them away. Then add 1 tablespoon of organic soap, which breaks down the protective layer and causes dehydration. You can also use an eco-friendly detergent from Ivy. Next, add half a tablespoon of garlic. Its strong smell works as a natural repellent and protects your plants. Finally, add half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Stink bugs dislike its scent and avoid it. Cloves can be used instead of cinnamon. Mix everything well and let it rest for a few hours. Strain the mixture and dilute with 1 or 2 liters of water. Spray it where you see stink bugs, preferably at night when they're most active. Subscribe for more natural gardening tips. It's free. Thanks for watching.